Hi everyone, it's Eukarya Jasmiani back with another video. It's time to do a SNS nail kit by Kiss. So these are my before nails and they look so bad I had to cut them down, and these are after. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this. We're going to do step 1 first, which is remove the top coat with acetone. I will be sure to list everything that I used below. I got the Kiss nail kit from CVS, the acetone from Walmart, and the Emory boards from Dollar Tree. So here I've already cut off my aluminum foil into 10 pieces with 10 pieces of cotton, and we're going to put this on and let this soak. This process wasn't hard, but trying to put, aluminum foil on the other hand isn't the easiest, but I made it work and you can too. When all your fingers are wrapped up, let it soak. And on to step 2, file nails smooth. Now, I don't have a drill. I feel like I would drill my whole finger off. I'm clumsy and there's no shame in my game. So Emory boards are my best friend, and because I was doing a fill-in, I let it soak, but not that much because I'm just putting the same color back on and I just want a clean, smooth nail bed for, when it's time to apply the SNS powder. So let me make a side note that I'm cutting my nails down, but these are my real nails, which is why I bought the kit, because I couldn't just pop them off. So you gotta grow them nails so you don't have to buy them nails, sis. You feel me? Let me be clear that because I don't have a drill, filing takes all night and day long. And so here's me showing you a close-up of what my nails look like after I filed them down. I wanted them to be smooth, so when I put the powder on top, it would go on perfectly. After you're done filing, make sure there are no lumps, no bumps, and everything is smooth. So on to step 3, apply dip powder. This kit comes with a stick. Stir the powder around, make sure there are no lumps or clumps or bumps in there. Then set up your station with a paper towel and a towel to catch all excess of the powder, and then you're going to start. So within this kit you have 3 steps that you use to get fabulous nails, such as the base gel, activator, and top coat. So right now I'm going to use the base gel to paint it on my nail and then dip it in the powder. I'm going to try to slow it down right here so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. You coat the entire nail and then you dip it, and then tap your finger to tap off all the excess powder so it doesn't lump or clump up. As you're doing this, be sure not to bump your nail against anything, or you know what I'm saying, dip the brush in anything else other than the base gel. And be sure that when you're putting on the next coat on top of your nail, that nothing is on the brush from the powder, because it will mess up the solution in the base gel. So as I make a few corrections because something was clumping up right there, I dip all of my fingers at least 2 or 3 times because they are my real nails, and It's only this overlay of powder on here. I want it to be really not too thick, but thick enough to where it wouldn't damage my nails. So after I dip my nails 2 or 3 times, I am going to apply some activator and shape them. And here is a close-up before I shape them of what your nails should look like after you've applied the powder. So you can see I have a few more places I need to go over and fix, and then I'm going to apply the activator and shape my nails. This is really important. Apply the activator before and after you file your nails. So this is the finished product, and I love them. They are short and functional. Thanks for watching. Always remember to like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.